Welcome to my channel today. Wow, I can't speak right after the 8. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Freaky Fast Formula doing Tuesdays in the Attic with Jen K's mom here on YouTube and Instagram. And this is the one we're going to do today. So we've got a few cuts we need to do. We need a 5x12. I'm playing with the Cartabella Homemade Collection. I've played with this a little bit. I have still a decent amount left, as you can see here. I might use to mat photos, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to set this aside for now and show you my cuts, because I went ahead and pre-cut all of these items and picked out a photo and all that. And I just have one picture of my flowers on the side of my house. They were wildflowers and I was super excited for them to grow. So here is a 5x12. This is a 6 3/4 by 5.5. And we have a 4 by 6 so 6 3/4 by 4.5 and a 4 by 6.5. So just barely, smaller than that. So we might do this kind of thing, layering up on there. And then let's see, we've got a 2.5 by 8. That would be this lovely green or yellow side. Haven't quite decided what side I want to do. 2.5 by 2. 1/2 by 12 and 1/2 by 5. And then I cut this out of the cut apart, which is on the back of this. And in this home, we love like crazy, share, stories, serve others, listen and learn, support each other, forgive and forget, and love unconditionally. I thought that I really like that. And it's just a picture of our wildflowers at our house. So I thought, why not, right? So I'm going to do this as my title. So really all I need now is a 12 by 12 piece of paper. So I'm going to go dig in my stash for that. I'm going to prep my photo and we'll see where we land. So I've kind of got a layout set. I found this background paper in this Park Lane Simple Life paper pad I got over Christmas. It was on a Black Friday deal. And there's a couple other neutrals in here, but I thought, why not bring more yellow in, right? Yeah. So I brought a lot more yellow in. I'm going to place this square here, and I think I'm going to try and find an acrylic piece. I have tons of acrylic pieces, or even a wood grain or wood veneer piece, just to stick in that circle, because this doesn't need a lot of journaling or anything like that. It's just kind of a simple page of my wildflowers. So I'll probably just document date and year and wildflowers growing alongside the garage or something like that. But then yeah, I'll stick a piece right there, and then just another simple page done using the Freaky Fast formula. I do feel like I need something else, and I'm leaning towards possibly a doily. Yeah, I might play with that. So I'm going to start gluing stuff down. I thought about doing some modeling paste as well, maybe behind things, and it would stand out on this yellow really, really well. So I might journal my tiny bit here, and then I'm going to see what I have for stencils to see if I have something that I would like that would go with it first. And then we'll start gluing down, and I'll look for an acrylic piece. So I wanted to check in with you, show you where my page was at and how I was going to kind of lay it out. I'm really liking this. So let me do a little bit more playing and like finding things, and then we'll put it all together. All right, I kind of wrapped it up off camera. Sorry about that. When I get in a groove, sometimes it just happens. But I did what I said. So I went ahead and did some of I'm almost done with this too. This modeling paste from Vicki Boutin, and I'm pretty sure it was a Vicki Boutin stencil. I'm pretty sure it was. I just put some kind of in a circular shape around behind there and there and there. Added some stickers from the sticker sheet that I still had. There's a whole lot on here yet. I did the home, found this Simply the Best by Color Cast Designs, layered everything up, and yeah, glued it all down. I think that turned out quite lovely. Did my little line of journaling there, and that's what you got. So thank you for watching. Make sure you check out Jen's channel, and we'll have some close-ups for you, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.